For nearly 120 years, Winston-Salem State University has served as a beacon in our community, illuminating hope, promise, and greatness. For the last 4 years, it has been Donald Julian Reaves' job to serve as the school's lightkeeper. And despite many challenges, Winston-Salem State University's light has not dimmed. Wooed away from Ivy League Brown University, the Cleveland, Ohio native came to Winston-Salem State determined not only to maintain the school's lofty achievements and standards, but to enhance and boost them. His tenure as Chancellor has been no walk in the park. State budget cuts have been severe, causing all public universities to make some tough decisions. And Reaves has had more than his share of critics and naysayers. But like all good leaders, he has risen to the challenges, met them head on, and has gained respect, even from his detractors in the process. Reaves has more than 2 decades of experience as a university administrator at some of the nation's most prestigious schools, but few know that he worked as a long-distance truck driver to make ends meet and further his education. He's a man that does what needs to be done. Such was the case when he made the tough call to end Winston-Salem State University's Division I athletic dreams due to a lack of funding. It was a hard pill to swallow for Ram fans everywhere, but Reaves has lessened the sting by reshaping the school's athletics department into a force to be reckoned with. The community cheered wildly at the football team's glorious 2010 season, and the prospects of the revived Rams baseball team has us all very excited. An active member of the community since the day he arrived in Winston-Salem, Reaves and his exceptional leadership skills serve nonprofit organizations including the United Way, the Piedmont Triad Research Park, the Winston-Salem Chamber of Commerce, and the Piedmont Triad Leadership Council. One of the many highlights in 2010 for the Chancellor and the community as a whole was the reopening of the Child Care Center on the Winston-Salem State University campus. A year earlier, another tough call had to be made, and the center became a casualty of budget cuts. Its reopening drew comparisons to the mythical phoenix rising from the ashes. But more importantly, the center's resurgence served as a sign to all that Chancellor Reaves has the will to find a way to keep Winston-Salem State's light shining brightly.